If you want to check your Hostinger plan, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to find your current hosting plan inside your Hostinger account so you can quickly see your plan details without guessing or searching through menus. This is a super useful tutorial if you want to confirm your subscription type, check what plan you're on, or review your hosting details before making changes. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account. You can do this from the Hostinger website using the email and password linked to your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main account area where Hostinger shows your websites, services, and hosting tools. Next, look for the website section and click it. After that, click Dashboard. This will take you to the control area for the website or hosting service you want to check. If you manage more than one site, make sure you select the correct one so you're looking at the right hosting plan. Now, on the left side menu, find and click Hosting Plan. This is where Hostinger groups the information for your current plan. It's the section that helps you see what type of hosting you purchased and what's included with it. Once you're inside the hosting plan area, click Plan Details. Here, Hostinger will display your plan information, including the plan name and other useful details tied to your hosting subscription. This is the place to check if you're on a premium plan, business plan, or another package, depending on what you purchased. If you are trying to verify your renewal, compare plans, or simply confirm your hosting setup, this is the quickest way to do it. You can also use this information if you're considering upgrading, downgrading, or troubleshooting your website hosting, and that's it. Now you know how to check your Hostinger plan in just a few clicks. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.